Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access ChatGPT Agent. Before we begin, just know that ChatGPT Agent is only available on the paid plan, and you have two methods to access it. Firstly, using the Tools drop-down, which is the easiest one. First thing first, launch ChatGPT on your browser or app. In the messages box where you type, look for the Tools drop-down icon, typically found next to or above the input field. Now from the drop-down, choose Agent Mode or similar option depending on your interface. This activates enhanced task handling features via ChatGPT's agent capabilities. And the second method is by the command-based activation. Simply type a command like /agent. Or activate agent mode. This depends on your platform or custom deployment. Then hit enter and wait for confirmation that agent mode is active. If you don't see agent mode, your current plan may not support it yet. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.